it's Steve Robertson, Muddy River Ag here. This is the Horsch JP6RT. So this cylinder here with these clips, this is just a transport cylinder for your transport wheel. So basically when you use this cylinder, it's on a separate remote, so you just put your wheel assemblies down, and that's what puts this these transport wheels down. So when it's in the field working, these clips will be out of here. Obviously it'll be lifted up, you put it into that float position, and that's what gives you your float control on here to take that porpoising out of the, as I explained earlier. This does not have any effect on your depth control. This cylinder here is basically for your soft ride and to lift your chassis wheels up and down. The depth adjustment, as I said earlier, is done through these cylinders here, and there's just 3 of them across the rear of the machine and the 4th one on the front.